Hi friends, welcome to Exam Update. As you know, Jntuh is going to conduct upcoming exams in the online mode. So we have tried to answer some most common questions through this video. The questions were asked on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. After our tweet regarding the online exam, the next day print media also published an article regarding the exam being online. So we are going to answer a few questions here. The first question is, what is an online exam? An online exam is an exam in which the questions and answers are given through a laptop, mobile, etc. through a specially designed software. The concept of online exam will be an open book exam. You can open your book while writing the exam. We will be discussing what is an open book exam. An open book exam was conducted by Delhi University, Karnataka University and other universities last year when it was impossible to conduct exams due to COVID. An open book exam is an exam in which you can refer all the books while writing your exam. The questions will be in a descriptive mode, and after writing the exam in A4 sheet, you will have to upload the PDF. An exam in charge will be appointed for every 15 students. The duty of invigilator is to ensure that the students are writing exam properly, that means in the given time and in an exact format. All this will be done through a software which will be given earlier. Third question, we can see that what is the exam procedure and pattern. As you can see in the print media, it is mentioned that there will be a slight change in exam pattern. That is, the questions will not be direct questions as earlier, but the students will have to understand and write the answers by referring the book in the given time. This will be likely of 3 hours. The questions will appear on the exact time of the exam, and students will have to log in 30 minutes before the exam. In the fourth question, students have asked what are the things required for an online exam. The things students will be requiring is a smartphone, a laptop to install the exam application along with a high-speed internet connection. What if we don't have a smartphone or a proper internet connection? Here, two things are possible if you don't have a smartphone or a laptop. First thing, you can borrow with someone and make yourself comfortable at your home and write the exam, or you will be given an option of reporting that you don't have the requirements to write an exam. In this case, student will be allotted an exam center with computer and internet connection where student can write the exam conveniently. Student will have to report this issue in the parent college itself. Will this be only for the final year students? What about the other students? Many students have asked this question and are really worried about the exams. Here, if there is a decrease in COVID cases, Jntuh will conduct the exam in the offline mode. But looking at the rising corona cases, this is unlikely to happen, which means the other students, the third years and the second years may have an option of writing exam online. At first, for the final years, it will be a test basis or trial basis. If this exam mode becomes successful, then the university will conduct the exams in the online mode. What are the necessary measurements for an online exam? Here we have given a precaution and a necessary measurement chart. Please take a screenshot of this as it will be helpful at the time of exam. We will upload another video when there is an official announcement. Until then, please follow exam updates on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. We will provide the updates genuinely and fastly. So, this is a question, how can we copy in the online exam? As this exam is in online and the open book exam, you will have to keep your front camera on and an invigilator will be watching you, so there is no chance of copying. You will be already referring the book while writing the exam, so you don't need to copy.